This old guy DIY video has to do with a technique that I used to dissuade rodents from trying to get into the garage. A hot chick that I know has a garage that's about 50 feet from the woods. So as the weather gets cold, the mice decide they want to be her friend. In this case, they ate through the seal here on the edge of the garage door trim. So rather than just replace this with something they can eat again, I took a piece that's 1 inch by 1.5 and 10 inches tall, and I just screwed it into the 2x4s on the inside of the door frame. I'll go inside and show you. Now we're inside the garage door where the mice had been coming through. So I took and put that piece of wood right there, and you can see a little bit of light down here at the bottom, but there's no way a critter is going to come through there. Now I'll open the door and give you a better view of what it looks like. So I took the piece of wood like this, and I just stood it up, and then with 2 screws, I just screwed it in right there. And I put the door in the down position so I could bring the wood in right up next to it, put the top screw in, then I raised the door, I put the bottom screw in, then I came back and just cut a lead-in angle on here. I don't know if it's necessary. I just took my Milwaukee grinder, put an angle on that, so if the door doesn't come down in exactly the same place every time, it'll still slide down where it belongs, rather than hitting this thing, stopping and going back up. After I had this side done, I went to the other side with the door closed. I set a piece of wood next to it, and I did the same thing over there. This is what it looks like on the other side. Now, rather than having a piece of rubber the rodents can eat through if they want to, we have a mechanical stop, and that piece of wood is there, and when the door comes down, the door is effectively sitting like that. So if the critters still want to get in, they'd have to eat through about 1 inch of pine. I don't think they're going to have an appetite for that. So I just did this today. We'll see how it works out for her. I hope this little video helps you. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you for watching.